How lovely is this? Yeah? Where about? See? Wow. Look at that. See? Look at this. It's so beautiful. Yan. O, diba? Kung hindi ako lumabas ng bahay ko, hindi ko ito makikita. Wow. Is the purple also daffodils? Oh, sorry. Sorry. So the purple is also crocus? Oh, wow. How I wish I can find the four-leaf clover here. No? I know, wait a minute. Look at this crocuses. It's purple and yellow. How lovely is that, guys? There you go. Wow. So if we just stay at home, we cannot find this. We cannot have fresh air. We cannot see these beautiful flowers there. Look at that. Yan. Diba? Kagaganda nila. How beautiful is it? Look. Wow. Just lovely. I love it, hon. Thank you for taking me here. We got so much of places to went before, but because I'm not on this what call that, I'm not on this side before, so you know, but one day we will go back to where we went and I'll show you guys again. Yeah, that's a promise. As I said, pag sinabi ko, tinutotoo ko talaga yan. Yan. Kasi hindi maganda yung nangangako ka na ipapakita mo yung isang lugar and then hindi mo naman tinutotoo. So, yeah. Ayan. Ay, bakit sila pumasok? Kami hindi. Layo ng aming pinaradahan. Hindi naman. Han? Why the car can't get in? Are they stuff here? Why that car get in? Ayan. We already showed you guys the Thames barrier. So now it's time to go somewhere again and I'll show you if I can. See you in a bit. See you around. Bye.